forming that formation so that they are in their respective positions. Time has already counted down. The beginning of the race has gone. Don is up. Don Pastor. Spin out. 26. Tight. Ooh, running into the Porsche as well. Wide body. Evo 10 taken out. 66 Rudolph Yu gone. 19 Toyota as well. What a mishap. Prati, front of Evo, pretty much ripped apart. Wow. At first, you're thinking Don Pastor was leading everybody away, and he's getting away from whatever could happen in the back there when the, I think it's the Camaro there, right? 26, Narin. Porsche had nowhere to go. Everybody just careened right in. And it was bumper cars from then on out. 66 Rudolph Yu couldn't stop in time. And even if he did, the rear traffic coming on for him, couldn't foresee that. Oh man, red flag. Everybody back into pit row. Not a lap gone. Red flag. So all tracks, the track has to be cleared now. So many cars taken out in that one corner. Don Pastor in. He was the guy that was making it out of traffic. Number 22, Challenger. Goran Subapong in pit. Wow, what an image. Photographers are going to have a field day with this one. Number 10 car, Pratip, look at the front. Evo 10. '19 car, Sutipong, GTC class, also out. 66, Rudolph Yu, Aston Martin, out, GTC class. You're going to need more than 1 or 2 flatbeds out there just to get all this cleared. And they're not stopping the counter either. I think this is the car that started the tsunami of crashes there. The 26, Narin. Let's see the replay again. So this is the actual replay. Don was coming out, no problem, evacuating the situation because, you know, with all these big cars, you got to get away as fast as possible. Don was up against Philip Massoud, pushing him up there. And suddenly 26 spins out right at the crest of the hill. Could have kept on going. Maybe he was still trying to get the engine going. The Porsche in the back stops, gets bumped up. Then you have Evo going, hello, Porsche bumper. Oh man, Toyota also there. Rudolph Yu came up.